Hello everybody and welcome to your official Loog guitar lessons. I'm so glad you joined me. My name's Emily Zimmer. I'm going to be your teacher. Let's rock. And this is how you play a B major chord. You're going to start with your first finger. You're going to put that in your second fret on your first string. Make sure you're right in the middle of the fret there. And then you're going to take your third finger and you're going to go 2 frets up from there. You're going to go to your 4th fret, 3rd string. Now let's add our 4th finger at the same fret in your 2nd string like that. And you want to make sure that all 3 strings can ring out. Now here's a pro tip. If you want to have a really good grip on these fretted notes, what you want to do is have your thumb, the thumb print part of your thumb, on the back of the neck of the guitar. So instead of grabbing the guitar like this, like a broomstick, we don't need to do that at all. In fact, that's not going to help you. It's not going to give you a better grip. If you just put your thumb back here and then pinch those fretted notes between your thumb and your fingertips, that's actually going to give you a really nice grip. So keep practicing, and I'll see you in another lesson. Remember to subscribe to the Loog Guitars channel and press the bell icon so you can get notified every time we have a new lesson up. Until next time.